Women Fasting is a channel dedicated to one thing: fasting information for women based on published research. If you fast or you are thinking about it, this channel was made for you. Looking for fasting answers that are actually about women? You are in the right place. Most of the fasting advice out there was tested on men, so a lot of what you have heard simply does not fit your body. Here, every answer is about women. And it covers every stage: before menopause, on a regular cycle, or past menopause. Your hormones, your cycle, your sleep, your weight. The videos cover what fasting does to each one. Each video answers one question in under 5 minutes and tells you what the science says. You ask it, you get the answer, and you get on with your day. And the research shows on the screen while you watch, so you can check every source yourself. New answers come out every week. This channel is about you. Subscribe to Women Fasting and turn on the notification bell so the next answer finds you.